Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use developer with Forestry CMS. Forestry, if you go to forestry.io, it's a static headless CMS. So you can easily connect developer with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So you can go to forestry.io and check the entire CMS. So let me just get started. So first thing is you just search developer. Just go to the first website, first link, and once you have the repo, all you need to do is fork the repo to create your own repo. So just go to fork. Then wherever you want the repo in, so in my case I just create a review repo, and so this creates a new repo. So altogether developer is installed in this particular repo. So now once I have this new repo, I want my new repo to connect with the forestry.cms. So I'll just show you how to do that. So first go to login. So login, you can just directly log in to email or password or GitLab or Bitbucket. I'm going to use GitHub. So Forestry will create, will show you that if you have any sites, it will show you here. And we don't have any sites right now. So what I'll do is I'll just create a new site. I'll choose Jekyll as my static site generator. Press next. I'll choose GitHub as my Git provider. We can use setup with author, so it's recommended, so turn it on. Next, what it will do is it will just show you which repository you want to install the Forestry CMS to. So I have to choose the developer Jekyll repo, or the repo that you have you're working on developer. So which branch should you read from? So please choose master branch because it will have the latest config file, and then you do next. Then sit tight, and it will import your doc posts, pages, and all the content from the site itself, from the repo that you have just created. So if you go to this link, you have this repo, and it's connected to Forestry now. So you can see all the posts. If you click on posts, it will show you all the posts that is in the repo. So you can also see pages, and you can do anything. So the CMS is entirely yours. So also products, menus that you can actually edit and change. Then you also have the media. You can drop the media files over here. So media is being read from slash, so you can just change the media folder. So suppose I want to change the media folder to so just check where the media is actually located. So in our case, assets and image. So image, assets and image is our media folder. So what we'll do is we will just directly go and do assets/media. Sorry, assets/image folder. So this is the public path, and then we're gonna be save. Okay, so we also have these pages now and posts. So you can directly edit any particular post. You can see we have this markdown editor, and the layout and all the details available. So you can do anything here. Also you can see that we have draft on and off. If you want to make it draft, just press on. We also have a preview button, and then publish. We also can change to templates and You can also rename the page itself. So it's very easy. You can create insert image. So we have a complete editor, and you can check the status of the document here. So that's the ultimate CMS that you can do connect using developer. So you also have this authentication using GitHub, so you can create auth, and also you'll have a logo, so you can input your logo so that whenever you're logging to Forestry, the CMS logo will come up, your brand logo itself. So that's it, guys. So hope you like the video. So whenever you change anything in this CMS, it will automatically get updated to your formed repo, and the changes will go live. So hope you like the video, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks.